Imagine being 16 floors up, balancing on a narrow ledge, and installing a vital piece of equipment that keeps families cool during the scorching summers in China. That's the reality for Liang, a professional air conditioning installer who specializes in working on high-rise buildings. Every day, he tackles one of the toughest and riskiest jobs around, ensuring that homes stay comfortable no matter how high the temperatures soar. Liang's work is in high demand across China, where summer temperatures can easily reach unbearable levels. In many parts of the country, the mercury climbs to 35, even 40 degrees Celsius, making air conditioning not just a luxury, but a necessity. It's no surprise that split-system air conditioners have become the preferred choice for millions of households. These systems are known for their quiet operation and energy efficiency, making them the ideal solution for densely populated cities where noise control is important. But the process of installing these units is anything but simple. Here's where things get tricky. Split-system air conditioners consist of two parts: the indoor unit, which cools the air, and the outdoor unit, which disperses the heat. That outdoor unit? It needs to be installed on the outside of the building, often in tight, hard-to-reach spots, high above the ground. For most people, even standing on a balcony 16 floors up would be unnerving. For Liang, it's just another day at work. The first challenge Liang faces is accessing these tricky locations. In most Chinese cities, where apartment living is the norm, space is limited. The outdoor unit often needs to be placed in areas where there's little room to maneuver: narrow ledges, small balconies, or even right outside a window. Liang has to carefully assess each site, figuring out how he can safely position the unit while keeping himself secure. He uses ropes, harnesses, and scaffolding to stabilize himself. But even with all the safety precautions, the job requires a steady hand and nerves of steel. Once he's in position, the real work begins. The outdoor unit is bulky and heavy, typically weighing around 20 to 30 kilograms. Liang must lift and maneuver the unit into place, all while balancing on a small ledge or platform. One wrong move and the unit, or worse, Liang himself, could fall. It's a delicate balancing act, where strength and precision are equally important. He carefully fastens the unit to the exterior wall, making sure it's secure and won't shift or fall in the future. But the challenge doesn't stop there. After the outdoor unit is in place, Liang needs to connect it to the indoor unit. This involves running cables and refrigerant lines through the building's walls, which requires drilling holes and ensuring that everything is aligned perfectly. Even a small mistake during this step could result in leaks, malfunctions, or poor performance later on, which would mean costly repairs.